I'm delighted to help launch the Camau i'r Dyfodol Steps to the Future project. It's a 3-year project in partnership with the University of Wales, Trinity, St David and the University of Glasgow, designed to help develop a shared and meaningful understanding of progression in the new curriculum. It'll draw on the expertise and experience of the whole education system and the latest research and evidence from Wales and international experts. I want to support individual schools to reflect on their practice, exploring how everybody within their community, from learners to senior leadership, can contribute to developing an understanding of the principles of progression and assessment. Every practitioner within the Welsh education system will have valuable experiences to share, such as these from teachers at Ysgol Ystrade.
Within our initial planning stages of designing curriculum for Wales as a school, we started firstly by allocating time for our leaders within the individual areas to collaborate. Firstly, to maybe unpack the descriptors of learning as a starting point, just so that we could have that quick overview of the continuum of learning. And then that led us directly to looking maybe more individually on the principles of progression then, so that we could consider that continuum and that progression of the whole child throughout the school.
So at the start of the year, to embed the different aspects of the new curriculum, we sat down as a department, but also with several other departments, and had a look at what areas that they felt that our pupils needed to develop or to work on, and would get the most benefit from if we worked on the start of the year. And from there then what we tried to do is focus on a different area and a different skill every half term. So we sent out a questionnaire then for the pupils to fill in early on in the year, where they also noted what they wanted to develop and what skills they felt they needed to work on and practice. So we feel then that there's more of a buy-in from the pupils then, because they see that their voice is heard and that we're working on skills that they also see a need to improve.